Hey, what's going on, hustlers? It's your main man, Horace, also known as La Machine, with another episode of Jump On It, where we give you free leads. Why? Because we like you. And we're on a mission to help you out, especially if you're a beginner selling on Amazon using the arbitrage business model. That's my little spiel. That's where we do the yakking. Now it's time to get down to business. So watch what happens, because what we're doing, as always, we're using my favorite software, which is Tactical Arbitrage. And of course, I want to show you that you can use it from anywhere. So watch what happens. I'm using it on my phone, and watch what happens here. Okay, let's try this again. Now that I have it turned, what we're going to do, we're going to come down to, you see where it says members access? We're going to go in. Now we're inside the software. Now watch what happens. Guys, you can be doing this anywhere. I don't want to hear your excuses. Now watch what happens. Sorry about the glare, but let's see. I'm going to go reverse search. I'm going to go saved results just to get into the folder that I want to get to. Now you see where these folders are? Let's see. I'm going to click that. And get that to open. Now, watch what's happening. We're scrolling down to your folder. Which folder is that? You're about to see. See that folder that says Working Class Hustlers? That's for you. That's where I put things in for your benefit. Let me see if I can turn this a bit, because we're getting a serious glare here. Now, we're going to let that load, and let's see. Now watch what happens. Right away you can see the store is Petco. The estimated monthly sales is 39. Let me make sure that's the product I want to. Yes, it is. Okay, so now you can see an image of the product. It's a cat toy. Okay, now right away you can see your gross profit is $273. Return on investment is 60%. That means you're not really putting out that much money, right? If you look at your adjusted price, it's $4.52. Now you may have to add tax to that. Don't worry about it. Look at your buy box. It's at $11.49. Look at the average 90-day rank. Okay, 3,200 and wait, no, 53,000. Hold on, trying to get away from me. 53,223. So there, you know, you're looking good. You can tell right away, because that category is pets. Now normally, if you were using the software, you would go ahead and click that button that says check restrictions. You don't have to do that today. I'm telling you right now, I've already done the process. I've done the vetting. You are approved for this product. See, that's what it's all about, hustlers. That is what it's all about. Now, just for your benefit, mind you, we're going to put the links down in the description. But just for your benefit, I'm going to show you the product just so you can see how the software works. Okay, there's the product on Amazon. There's the price on Amazon. Let me see if I can get back. Now we're going to look on the website. There's Petco. There's the product on Petco. Let's see. There's the price on Petco. Yes, they will deliver it to you. You see what I'm saying, guys? There is nothing hard about this, and I'm not going to make it hard for you. What I'm going to do is give you what you came here for. Leads. All right, I got one more for you, and then I'm going to let you go. All right, let's see. Let's try this one. Look at what this software is telling you. Everything. Look at the website. It's at Walgreens. Look at the estimated monthly sales. 69. Sorry you can't see that good. What's your gross profit? $3.95. What's the return on investment? 45%. Guys, you can do this. Okay? Let's move over. What's your price? What? $8. You can't see it, but $8.56. You'll see it when we go to the site. What's the 90-day rank? You can't hardly see it. 32,655, something like that. Guys, there's no reason you can't take 10 minutes. If this video ends up being 10 minutes, watch this. We're going to look at the product on Amazon's website. There's the product, okay? It's some kind of cat litter or something. What is that? Yeah, it's cat litter. There's the price. All right, now we'll go back. We'll look at the product at the sourcing site, which is Walgreens. There it is. Okay? There's the price. It's actually cheaper. It's actually cheaper than what the software was showing us. Prices change all the time. Add it to the cart. Guys, you can do this. Okay? Now, I've already checked these. You are ungated. And if by chance you can't get the product, you know what you're going to do? You're going to go down into the comments. You're going to type a message to me. You're going to say, Horace, give me what I came for. And here's what we'll do. We'll do it your way. We'll give you a lead. We'll put it right there in the comments so that everyone can take it from you. Or if you haven't connected with me, you know what you're going to do? You're going to connect with me with the number you see on your screen. You're going to text the words working class hustler. We're going to get connected, and then privately from me to you, we're going to give you a lead. If by chance you weren't able to get one of the two that we're talking about today, I know you're approved, so you're not going to tell me that. But you might tell me, hey, they're all gone, and then I'll verify that, and then we'll get you some more. Or you'll join us on Saturdays, because every Saturday we go live. Last Saturday we were out there for 2.5 hours. Actually, what we ended up doing was having a tactical arbitrage masterclass to teach, and in between teaching, we were giving away leads. In between teaching, we gave away a 1-hour consultation with me. In between teaching, we became closer as a family. Guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, do yourself a favor. Subscribe to the channel, especially if you're new, especially if you want some real help. After you're done with this video, take the 10-minute lightning course that teaches you everything you need to know about tactical arbitrage. After you take the course, then use the link down in the description. Sign up for a free 10-day trial, and you'll already know how to make money. The software will pay for itself. After that video, we're going to put a link to the master class that we had live last Saturday, and you can watch that, and you can even look through there and see how we do things. Some of those leads may still be good. You just want to subscribe. A lot of people will tell you, yeah, subscribe to my channel. For what? Okay, here's the reason why you want to subscribe to this channel, because we're constantly helping you, guiding you along the way, holding you by the hand, making sure that you have no excuse that you can't be successful. I'm on a mission, guys. This is going to be the premier channel when it comes to arbitrage, selling on Amazon, using the arbitrage business model, and you're going to help. So subscribe, hit the bell notification so that you don't miss the 4 videos that we come out with each and every week. My name is Horace. This is La Machine, what to sell on Amazon, and I'll see you in the next video.